Hello everyone. As you have already seen the title of the video, and before we dig into it, let me quickly introduce myself. I am Preeti Komal, recently graduated from Dr. RML Hospital College of Nursing. But before entering to this noble profession, I had interest in some other fields too, like law and forensic science. So as the title of the video also suggests, we will be discussing today about forensic nursing. But before that, let's understand what forensic science is. So basically, it is the application of science to law and is carried out through the recovery, analysis, interpretation and presentation of scientific evidence from the crime scene to the court. Now coming to the forensic nursing, it encompasses a broad range of disciplines including medical care, scientific investigation and legal proceedings. These professionals play a very crucial role in bridging the gap between the healthcare and the legal systems. They possess a deep understanding of both the fields, allowing them to provide exceptional care to patients while effectively collecting and preserving evidence for legal proceedings. So nowadays, forensic nursing is an exciting and highly rewarding field in healthcare. Keeping in view the increasing importance of forensic nursing, the certificate course in forensic nursing has been organized by Center for Criminal Investigation and Forensic Science (CCIFS) at Jamia Hamdard. The highlights of this course will be police administration and legal proceeding, serology, biology and DNA, toxicology, sexual offences, injuries and death, psychology in forensic nursing, and also there will be a project work and a field visit. Upon successful completion of this course, participant will have acquired the skills and confidence to contribute to legal processes as a credible expert witness, perform forensic examination and provide comprehensive care to victims and their families. So that's it for the today video. You can check the description box for further details and about the admission of the course. Bye bye. Till then, take care.